Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. So friends most welcome my channel. I hope you will be enjoy different great ideas. Let's come and I shared with you beautiful designs which are related to the crochet pattern. Now I shared with you beautiful ideas which are related to the crochet sides, great ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. In this video our friends I shared beautiful thinking ideas, different beautiful earrings and crochets made handmade earrings are available in my crochet platform. Hopefully you will begin different floral ideas because it's are completely different to each other. I hope you will be enjoy different ideas that are completely different to each other. Hopefully friends you will begin different ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friends don't forget to subscribe my channel and kindly friends like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully you will be enjoy my different ideas which I shared with you in this video, and these are very beautiful unique ideas which I shared. It's our very fundamental designs that are completely different to each other. So friend I hope you will be enjoy my ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. Don't forget to subscribe my channel because you know that our ideas which I share are very beautiful. These are very beautiful and unique designs in this video I shared you. I hope you will be gain different type of things knowledge to watching my beautiful videos, and friends you enjoy my ideas which I shared with you. So much friends for watching this video.